In a world so vast, it's easy to overlook the small things. But here, in the quiet, life blooms in the tiniest forms. Delicate petals stretch towards the light, their soft colors painting the ground like a hidden canvas. A butterfly, weightless and free, flutters from bloom to bloom. Its wings, painted with nature's finest brush, gently graze each petal, spreading beauty with every touch. Each flower, though small, holds the entire world's wonder in its fragile bloom. Below, ants march in perfect unison. With strength beyond their size, they build, they gather, they live. A reminder that even the smallest creatures play their part in the grand story of life. Above them, leaves dance in the breeze, their edges kissed by sunlight. As the light filters through, it transforms the leaves into emerald windows, glowing, translucent, full of life. Each leaf holds the warmth of the sun, revealing veins like delicate rivers running through their skin. In these little moments, we find wonder. The little things remind us that beauty is everywhere, if only we take the time to see it.